welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing for you, and this unboxing is what I like to call off the canvas. It is a diamond painting accessory that I think will come in handy. It is a light pad, and this light pad is an A3 light pad, and I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me. I am really excited about using this. My light pad only has one setting. This light pad has 6 adjustable settings, and there's 6 levels of brightness as well. And then there's also 3 color temperatures that you can change. This light pad can also be used not just for diamond painting, but also for tracing. It's also good for myself as a card maker, where I like to weed some of my dies, which means that you have to basically punch holes in order to get some of the die cuts out, as well as I like to weed any vinyl that I might use. But I'll definitely be using this primarily for diamond painting because that's what I have been doing most of lately. I really like the box as well. It was very well prepared. It shipped very nicely. It shipped within 2 days. The box also shows that it has a lithium battery, which is really nice. I'm going to scoot this out of the way. The light pad also comes with an adapter that you can use if you did not want to use up your battery. I'm going to move this out of the way. And then it comes with some pages here that you can use if you want to trace. That mouse is really cute. It comes with directions. Move this out of the way as well. It comes with directions here, and it gives you the specifications, it gives you the easy operations, and then it also is going to show you how you can use this to trace. So I'm going to flip this around so it'll be easier. I won't have my hands in the way. I do like the clip. You can use that to clip your diamond painting, or if you wanted to, you can use this clip if you are tracing or even coloring. Coloring is really good for this as well. So here's the on and off. You can also change how you want the light temperature to be. And then this is going to have how bright that you want it. I like that as well because, as I said, mine only has the one. Sometimes I need more of the light to come through, and sometimes I need less. If we flip this over, on the back, it is going to have this little area here. If I can get this pulled up, do the other side. And you can raise this if you would like, higher or lower, if you would like to work on an incline. And I do typically use, go ahead and turn that on so you can see it. I do typically use a drafting table, so I do like working on an incline like this. Not so much this high, but this will be really good on my table. Go ahead and turn this off. This will be good on my table so that I am able to do some of the smaller ones. And I can also adjust this however high or low that I want it. I do like it about like this. I think that would work out very well for me. And if we put something on here, let's put one of these that came with it. let's see what all is in here. Of course, I won't use these. My daughter will really enjoy this, I think. But here's a mouse, which I've already showed you. Let's see what else is in here that I can show, just to show what the light looks like. And I'll show you what my canvas will look like on here. We can clip this little dog on here. And then if you turn this on, that's not very straight. If you turn this on, you can easily see. Maybe harder for you since it is on film, but I think that would work out very well. And then for a diamond painting, let me get one that I have been working on, and you can see how that will work. This will also work very well when you are doing some of the smaller ones. Okay, here is a diamond painting that I'm going to start working on in June. Trying to pull this up some without getting my hands all in the way. It's probably going to be hard for you to see this, but even if I zoom in too much, I think you can see that fairly well, how it's illuminating from this light pad, and you can easily see the actual symbols. You can see them more clearly. Put this back down. You will see me kitting this up shortly. I'm not sure when I'm going to do this, but I'm going to be doing it soon since I want to start on this on June the 1st. And then if we look at the different temperatures, that doesn't really work for me too well, but this works really good here. And then we have different brightness where you can see, doesn't help with the plastic, but you can see on the plastic how this is going to look. And then of course I can lower it if I want to. It does take some getting used to if you're not used to working on an incline, but I think this is going to be really good for my back as well as my shoulders because I have been diamond painting quite a bit lately. In addition to one of the larger ones, I'm going to move this one out of the way. My paint gems here would be really good to work on as well. Turn that down a little bit. On this one, I do these sometimes at night when I am just in our den and we're watching TV. And this would be really good on my easel that I have downstairs. That way I could just pop one of those in there and I can easily see. And of course with this one, you can almost take the entire plastic off, but you can see how well that shines through. So I'm definitely going to be using this, and I am very appreciative of receiving this. I am thankful that I was asked, and the opinion that I'm giving, even though this was given to me complimentary, the opinion that I'm giving on this is my own. I give honest feedback on everything that I do. I have looked as of yesterday. Today is Monday for me, Tuesday for you. This particular light pad was on sale. I think it's a really good price for what you are getting, and it's not heavy, so it's easy to carry around. I do like how it illuminates. I can also include, again, my coloring book here. Great place to have this clip for coloring pages. I have more coloring pages than coloring books, and so that would work out well. I also like to color stamps for cards, and that would be perfect to fit here. Just to put that there, and then I can easily color. I don't think it would go through here using pencils, but definitely will use this for diamond painting. And I will include the link at the bottom underneath the description in case you are interested. I don't know how long that this will be on sale. I do know that these have been offered to other creators, and so I don't know how long that they're planning on marketing this as a sales price, but you may want to take a look at it if you are interested. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.